Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create a crawling text animation on your video only using CapCut Mobile. So let's go to the tutorial. First, you need to open your CapCut like this, and then import the video that you want to add this animation. And the next step, now you just need to click this text button on your main toolbar, click it and insert a text onto this clip. Click add a text. And now you just need to type the text that you want to add or create as a crawling text animation. So for example, let me type text animation like this. Make sure that you have a long enough text, so it will give you much more cool a consistent result of your animation. Okay, now when you're done, you can change the font as you want, and then go to styles, swipe left your toolbar, and then go to case, go to background, and then use this shape of the background and change the color onto the exact color that you want. So for me, let me just change it onto red color, kinda like this. And then for the opacity, you can decrease it to make it more transparent, and click the check button when you're done. Now swipe left your toolbar of your text clip, hit the lasting text to make the text have a same duration as the main clip. Okay, now the next step, you just need to add a keyframe on this side and move the text all the way to the left. Make sure you hide it like this. And the next step, you just need to add another keyframe onto the exact duration that you want to create. So I think I'm going to put it on this side. And now you just need to move the text onto the right side of your screen, kind of like this. And make sure that you have a same position, and make sure that it has a same position from the first keyframe. Okay, now when you're done, the final result of it will be look like this. As you can see, now we have this crawling text animation on this clip. And if you want to make the movement from the text is much more fast, you can move your keyframe much more closer to each other. And yep, that's the way how to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And keep watching our channel, and let's enjoy your editing time.